Welcome back to Learn Fluent English through direct method. My dear student, this is a great opportunity for you. I know you have been trying to improve your English communication for a long time, but you are not able to speak it. Do you know what the reason behind this? The reason is very simple. Because you have been reading a lots of books, you have been reading newspapers, and you have been writing a lots of things in English, and you have been trying to listen the videos, but you are not speaking. Why are you not speaking? Because you don't have any platform to speak, to use your oral English. So there is a good news for all of you. You can join my online classes. I will provide you a platform on which you can use your oral English. This is very effective. There are a number of students who have been attending my class and they are all speaking very well. Because in this platform, we provide the oral training in which the students try to speak English. They are not asked to write anything. They are not asked to read any book or newspaper or to listen the videos. They speak English. Just like as if you want to improve some other skills, you will have to do that one. For example, you want to learn swimming. How will you learn swimming? Only swimming is the important thing there. You will have to swim. Suppose you are reading the books and you want to now swim. It is not correct because you will have to swim. Is there any alternative to learn swimming? No, there is no alternative. Just like as if you want to improve your driving skill, what will you have to do? Definitely you will have to drive. Suppose you try to repair the car and you after some time you try to claim that you will be able to speak, you will be able to drive the car. No, because driving will teach you driving, swimming will teach you swimming. In the same way, speaking English will teach you speaking. Reading, writing, listening, and doing a lots of other things will not improve your speaking skill. So please join my online classes on Sunday at 10 o'clock. You can join my free webinar on my Zoom. So please, you can talk to me on my number 9179653494 and get your name registered. Thank you very much.